first day in the Jenny Jump Up. Oh, it's not what it's used for. Hi, pretty girl. Are you having so much fun? Did you get Pop in there too? Good girl. What do you think of that? Oh, good girl, Colby. Yeah. Hi, pretty. Look at those legs. Look at the legs.
360. Backward. Yeah, Angel. There we go. Let go. There we go.
She seems to be concentrating pretty hard. Good girl.
She started using her own feet to do it. Yeah. Hey, Angel. Hi. Hi. You know, it's amazing when you have the phone closed and the safety features are on. The only thing that comes on is the webcam stuff, but it costs extra money. That'll come on.
Sneaky.
Yay!
I see you. I see you. Can you make it jump? Can you make it jump? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Lower you down a little bit to see. Feet flat. Yeah. Now you can do it.
She's just so tired. Okay, I think we can stop recording. Okay.
Until she starts getting to herself.